17 right now. It looks like those huge birdhouses. You've seen these springing up around the area. Actually, they're mini libraries.
Yeah, they're offering endless possibilities to the community. ABC2's Cassie Carlisle shares how you can check out a book.
Magic lives in books.
They can bring you on adventures. When I read about like jungles or something, like I feel like that I'm like in a jungle and feel like I'm a monkey or a lion.
Reading unlocks doors to a kid's future. Imagine an unlimited supply of books right in your front yard. That's what My Little Free Library inspires all over the world, and it's spreading like laughter.
There was one down at Belvedere Square, so she really liked it. So we built one for her birthday.
The McFadden's built their library 2 years ago for Mom.
We figured we kind of had the perfect spot to do it.
Right across from an elementary school, it's become a centerpiece for the community.
It's pretty cool because like you get to like put books that you're done with, and like you get to like share it with other people.
This library doesn't require a card. Just take a book as you please and leave a book when you can. At this little library, they even have a guest book and bookmarks.
We get lots of requests for tween books. So if anybody has any of those, feel free to drop them off.
You can look online to see if any libraries are near you. Kids in Towson love seeing people use it.
I think they're getting smarter because they're about to read and they're excited.
We have a little bit of everything in there. You never know what you'll find.
And anyone can build a library, opening a book of endless possibilities. In Towson, Cassie Carlisle, ABC2 News.